Isa din po ba tayo sa gumagamit ng statements na please enter in the room, enter in the house, or enter in the gym? Ang mga statements na yun po ay incorrect. Kasi pag ang term na enter, it means you go inside a physical space. So pag gumamit ka ng enter, tapos ginamitan mo pa siya ng in, after, ay inaccurate na po. Hindi na siya tama. Because in is also a preposition that means inside when you're talking about locations or spaces. So, sasabihin lang natin, enter the gym, enter the room, enter the house. Now, there is this phrase called enter into na different naman siya. Gagamitin natin ng enter into when we are talking about things related to business, to proposals, to agreements. So, you would say, after 2 weeks of meeting, we finally decided to enter into an agreement.